truck. And we're gonna flip him the fuck off because he flipped us off. Holy shit, bro. Holy fucking shit. No, I'm going this way. Because this car can't go this way. Oh. Holy fucking shit, bro. That was crazy, cuz. Holy fuck. Oh. Oh. Holy shit. Dude, I'm pissing my pants. That nigga looked like fucking a skinny version of Mr. Stanley. Dude, he's trying to chase me. He's trying to get me. That was crazy.
You guys hear him? He legit tried to grab you. He got almost grabbed you.
He tried to run from me. I got it all on camera.
Did you actually?
Yeah, it's recording right now.
No. There he is. There he is. Get it back.
Don't get close.
I almost flipped him off.
Come back over here then.
Guys, we're gonna stay behind. Bro. This fucking
Guys, our escape route is the trails over there and to the other sub. Okay? To the other fucking sub.
But where did that guy speed?
He can't get through the fucking field if we go to this other sub. The one to get the Grebner. We're not going to Grebner.
He's trying to grab you, bro.
Yeah, I know. I got it on camera. Crazy motherfucker.
No, he doesn't.
I said, what the fuck?
Hey, you want to tell this guy to take his kids away from them?
No. It's just us that he's... Where's Petrus? What?
He's doing it. He's not doing it. Hey, let's get off there.
See.
He went grabbing.
Dude, what the fuck is he doing? Petrus is dipping. Petrus is
I
scared.
think Petrus flipped him off already.
He's turning around, I think. Oh shit!
He's going after Petrus, I think.
He's going after Petsu.
Hey, he's not.
Dude, we gotta go.
He's fucking tired.
Dude, no fucking way, dude. Where is this? Dude, he just skipped a dude. He just skipped a dude that wanted money. Oh, never mind. Dude, that's creepy as fuck, bro. Where's Petrus at? I think he cut through the field. At Gross and Carol's house. I'm gonna look over here. He's right over here. He's right over here. Dude, what'd he do?
I passed by, and then he dropped his ice cream and tried to run after me. He legit almost got out of his car. What did he do? He almost drove like legit. He tried to crash me, but I went through the yard.
Oh shit, bro.
So I passed through his car, and then he tried to run after me, and then he tried to drive me over. He tried to run me over. I'm like just shaking my ass over him.
Holy fuck, you are shaking, cuz. How does it feel? I love the adrenaline, bro.
Bro, we need to get his play in fucking recording. He's trying to grab a minor. You don't do that.
Yeah, you don't do the shit like that, but I guess
they're annoying him, but
I guess when you work at a fucking ice cream truck, nigga.
you want guys to turn back to find
Why the hell did he flip you off? You just asked if you could get a buy one free one. He just flipped you off, and then he started chasing us.
down the street and try to see if we can meet him.
No, dude, I'm gonna, let's go to the new sub. It's just, See what he does. I can get this all on camera, bro. It's good content. What you mean? I'm Jake Paul, ah!
No, bro. If we're Jake Paul, we have to. No, if we're Logan Paul, we gotta. You know what'd be funny?
Honestly, though, this guy is so crazy. It's so funny.
He's a fucking perv.
Dude, he looks like fucking Mr. Stanley, but skinnier.
Mr. Stan?
Yeah.
Yeah, but Mr. Stan actually did for me.
Bro, what if that's
Bro,
what if that's fucking Mr. Stan?
I swear.
Bro, that has to be Mr. Stanley, bro.
That's his second job, bro. He probably working as an official. He's the
He
reason why
probably
has
tried to
job.
work at a pornologist, but he was too old.
True.
He probably still chill.
I think he went down my street.
Bro,
No, I think that's usually a routine route, though. And then he goes through those, turns left and turns right, goes through
I was
those
about to tell that
two
parent,
loops.
I was about to tell that parent, don't go by the fucking ice cream truck, bro.
Dude, that's all just fly past him. Put your gears on high. Oh.